Hello and welcome to Inspect This Disc. Sound effects, death and horror by BBC Records. This disc is from Germany and it is in German, of course. As you can see, Die Guillotine. I won't even listen or pronounce these. Side 2 should have 2 tracks, but when I was looking at the disc, it seems to be one continuous track. These are not in stereo. At least every one of these are not in stereo. There's the catalog number, I think. Or here. Anyway, it's a cartoon box or whatever. Not cartoon, but carton. And it came with a really bad paper sleeve. But let's inspect the disc. Here's the disc itself. Intercord label, I think. BBC Records. Side 1. 1977. I will put a lot of text in the description again. So there you will find everything. Sorry. By the way, I told you already, this is in German, everything. But the sound effects are just sound effects. And here, I wonder how. Yeah, here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 tracks. Side B. And this looks like, I don't know, 1 and 2, or one continuous track. I don't know. And it is 33 RPM record. So let's put it in my new record player. Now it's turning. And let's have a listen. But of course, you won't hear anything. A side. Discogs says in Germany, only because this is a German edition disc printed in Western Germany. Side B.